Hello friends, my name is Wbbse. I was teaching you the chapter quadratic equations with one variable from the book Ganit Prakash of class 10, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. And in my previous video I have discussed how to find the roots of a quadratic equation by completing the square method, and we have taken a general equation and we have taken the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and we have solved by the method of completing square, and we found the value of x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we can use this result x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, we can use this result for any quadratic equation and we can directly find out the roots of that equation. This formula or this process is called ACHARYA'S formula. Now we are going to take a question and solve it using this formula. Let us read question application 24, which says, my elder brother have written two such numbers in a copy that one is smaller than the other by 3, and their product is 70. I determine the two numbers which my elder brother has written by constructing the quadratic equation in one variable and with the help of ACHARYA'S formula. So let the first number be x and the second number be x minus 3. And the question says their product is 70. Therefore, according to the question, x into x minus 3 should be 70. Now x square minus 3x minus 70 equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this equation by ACHARYA'S formula. So we have to write it in this form: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x square ax square, that means 1 into x square, plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is written in this form: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now by the formula we can write x should be equal to minus b, that means minus of minus 3, plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into c, by 2a equal to minus and minus becomes plus. Minus multiplied to minus becomes plus. Root 289 is 17. So if we take plus, we get 20 by 2, that is 10. If we take minus, 3 minus 17, that is minus 14 by 2, that is minus 7. So these are the two values of x. Okay, this is how we can directly find out the values of x. Therefore, the first number is 10 and the second number is 10 minus 3, that is 7. Okay, when we take x equal to 10, okay, when we take x equal to 10, the first number is 10, second number is 7, and when when x equal to 10, these are the numbers, and when x equal to minus 7, first number is minus 7 and the second number is minus 7 minus 3, that is minus 10. Okay, so these are our numbers. Now let us do another example. Application 26, it says the product of two consecutive positive odd numbers is 143. Let me construct the equation and find out the two odd numbers by applying SRIDHARA ACHARYA. Let the first odd number be x, and the second odd number be, okay, these are positive odd numbers, so the next odd number should be x plus 2. If I do x plus 1, that will be an even number, but I need an odd number, that is why x plus 2. So these are our consecutive odd numbers. Okay, now the product of these two numbers is 143. If I take 143 to the left side, I get or by applying SRIDHARA ACHARYA, I can directly write the value of x should be minus b, that is minus 3, plus minus root over b square, that is 3 square, minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is minus 143, so b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the values of x. Now minus into minus plus 143 into 4, so 572 plus 9, that is 581. Sorry friends, I have made a mistake. This should be x plus 2, not x plus 3. So this should be 2x. Very sorry. So x square plus 2x minus 143. Sorry, so this should be 2 minus b. Okay, b is 2, not 3. So this is 4. And 4 plus 572, 576. Very sorry friends. Minus 2 plus 24, it is 22. 22 by 2, that is 11. And if I take negative value, it becomes minus 26 by 2, that means minus 13. Now, according to our question, the odd numbers are positive odd numbers, so I can take 11. I cannot take 13, minus 13. Okay, 11 and 13. Now let us proceed to our next question. Okay, the question says there are rupees 195 deposited to a group. Okay, and each member of the group subscribes money equal to the number of members in the group, and then the total money is divided equally among the members. So each one has got rupees 28. Okay, now let us determine the number of members in that group by applying SRIDHARA ACHARYA'S formula. There is a group, let us say there are x number of people or x number of members in that group. This is application. Let the number of members be x. Therefore, each member gives rupees x. Okay. The question says each member donates money equal to the number of members in that group. That means if there are 50 members in that group, each one will give rupees 50. Okay, so in this group we have x number of members, so each one should give rupees x. Therefore, money collected x into x, this much money. Okay, each one gives x, rupees x, so x number of members, that is why x into x. Money collected x into x. Therefore, total money x into x plus 195, because the group already had 195 rupees 195. So the total money of that group is x into x plus 195. Now if this money is distributed equally to each member, if x square plus 195 is, if rupees this is donated, is divided equally among all the members then each gets rupees 28. Therefore x square plus 195 is divided equally among x number of people. So it is divided by x, so it becomes 28. So this is our question says. Now if we simplify it, we get this equation, this quadratic equation. Now by applying SRIDHARA ACHARYA, we can write x equal to minus b, that is b means minus 28, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, 2 into 1. So this is 784 minus 195 into 4, that is so if we consider the positive sign, it becomes 30 by 2, that is 15, and if we consider minus sign, it becomes 13, 26 by 2. So these are the values of x, that means the number of members, either it is 15 or 13. Let us check the answer. Yes, it is correct. Now let us take another example. Meher takes 5 days less than Pritam to complete a piece of work if by working together they can do the work in 6 days, let us determine in how many days Pritam will alone complete the work by applying SRIDHARA'S formula. Let Pritam takes X days to complete the work therefore Meher takes 5 days less than Pritam. Therefore Meher takes X minus 5 days to complete the work. When they work together, they complete it in 6 days. Therefore let the total work be 1. Okay, so Pritam takes X days to complete 1 unit of work. So in 1 day he does, okay, he takes X days to complete 1 unit of work. So in 1 day he does 1 by X unit. Okay, in 1 day Pritam does 1 by X unit. Meher X minus 5 days. In X minus 5 days she completes the work. That means she in X minus 5 days she completes 1 unit of work, as the total work is 1. In X minus 5 days she completes 1 unit of work. So in 1 day she completes 1 by X minus 5 unit of work. So when they work together in 1 day they will complete. Okay, when Pritam works alone he completes 1 by X part of the work, or 1 by X unit of the work. In 1 day. And when Meher works alone she completes 1 by x minus 5 part of the work in one day. Therefore, when they work together, in one day, they work this much, they complete this much of work. Okay, in one day they complete this much of work when they are working together. But the question says, when they work together, they complete it in 6 days. So when they work together, they take 6 days to complete one part. So in 1 days they complete 1 by 6 part. So when they are working together in 1 day, they complete this much of work. And here we can see, when they work together in 1 day, they complete this much of work. So these two things are equal. One by x plus 1 by x minus 5 equal to 1 by 6. This is our required equation. Now we are going to simplify it. If we take these quantities to the right side, now by applying ACHARYA'S formula, we can write x is equal to minus of minus 17 So these are the two values of x, 15 and 2. But x cannot be 2 because if Pritham takes 2 days, the other person, Meher, will take 2 minus 5. That means minus 3 days, which is not possible. So we have to take 15. So Pritham take 15 days and Meher takes 10 days to complete the work when they are working alone. Okay, now take another question which says, if the following quadratic equations have real roots, then let us determine the roots by applying SRIDHARA ACHARYA'S formula. Okay, let us do one question from here. So let us find the roots by applying SRIDHARA ACHARYA'S formula. So minus b, that is minus of minus 9, plus minus root over b square, that is minus 9 square, 4 into a into c by 2a. So the two values of x are 7/2 and 1. Let us do another question. Question number 7. Now if we apply Sridhar Acharya, we get x equal to minus b, that is minus of root 2 plus 1 plus minus root over b square, that is this is by 2. Now okay, plus 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2, it becomes minus 2 root 2 by 2. Now if we take positive, it becomes if I take the positive plus, then minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled, so it becomes 2 root 2 by 2. So this is only root 2. And if I take minus root 2 and plus root 2 gets cancelled, and it becomes 2 by 2, that is 1. So the two values are root 2 comma 1. These are the two values of x. Thank you, friends. If you have any question or doubt, you can leave that in the comment section, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.